Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for a steamer, just a traditional steamer, stove top, and I think it comes with 3 tiers. So let's pull it out. Previously, a couple days ago, I did an unboxing for an electric steamer. We'll link the unboxing in the description for the steamer. It's the VEVOR steamer. This actually served pretty well when I used it. I used it for a potluck for steamed buns and steamed rice cakes, and it held up pretty well. So yes, I like the steamer, but I have another one. So this is our steamer. It is pretty big. Here is the pieces on top that the food will sit on. I think this is just a protective covering. You can remove this blue piece. Let's see here. Okay, so here's the other piece. I think you can layer it. That's 3 layers. So let's open this up. They like put the lid inside it, so it's kind of hard to remove. But let me try to. The whole set, it actually came with a lot of parts, and they're really big. I didn't thought they would be this big, but this is the base. That's the base, and then we got our cover here, which is very nice. So you can see it has you can see the top of the lid, which is nice, so you can check your food inside if it's cooking properly. So my only concern is if these screws are like stainless steel, because with all the steam it will like create rust in the screws. So I'm not sure if it's made of steel, so we'll figure that out after using it for a little bit. So I got 2 of these. Now we got 3 layers of the actual steamer thing. Let's see here. So this one, I think you can, let's see if there's a smaller one. So it actually came with a lot of parts. So I got 3 tier of those, and then there's this base, and then you can also like put this smaller piece in the bottom. So you have like 4 layers of steamer thing that holds food. So you have like, I can do 4 layers of steam. So as you can see here, there is like a lower ledge here where you can put the smaller attachment. So you can put this inside, and you can make another steam. So you could have water in the bottom, and then another steam here, another one over here. Well, that doesn't really work, but you could put that on top, and then just keep on layering. But I don't think I would layer that high. I'm not sure if it's effective if you put it like 3 tier, I don't know. But yes, you can stack it as high as that, and you can put the lid on top. Oh, you could actually put this one over here. Okay, so actually there's 5 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can have 5 layers of. Well, that is pretty cool. You can layer your food that way. But yeah, so that's how it looks like. We'll see on how durable it is. It's a pretty good. It's not very light. I've had some of these pots before, and they're really light. This one is it's light, but it's not very light. So that is our video for today. I hope this video is helpful, and I'll link the product in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.